show Laura.
Oh, fuck, what the fuck, man? We fucking went to fucking, what was it, Geno's first, and fucking Wendy's here is fucking closed. We don't want gay Tim Hortons.
Shit stinks.
This is fucking gay, guy.
Fuck. I just want fucking food.
You know.
We got the fucking
We're all the way out here in fucking Mill Creek.
We got the Poe on them.
They're the fucking Poe. And they're freaking trucks that they use like once a freaking year.
Yeah.
Look at this shit.
The fucking stove coming down like a bitch.
Oh, Mom works there.
Oh, fuck, yeah. Oh, man. Right, bud, where are we going now, bud?
Pizza. We got 2 slices for $5.
Oh, pizza's gross, man.
Dude, what the hell do you like then?
Oh, everybody's going home early. School canceled. School closed.
Yo, can you zoom in? Oh shit, you can. Dude, and get what? There's no food. Make something.
I can't even see the fucking lanes. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going.
Let's go to Holiday Inn and we'll go to snack bar or something. Actually, I know there's another Wendy's that's open.
Fuck that. Obviously, there's no.
Dude, I know, but I know. It's, do you know where No Frills is?
Yeah.
Go there. That Wendy's is
but
open.
This is open 24 hours. They're probably closing all this shit because it's snowing. They know nobody's gonna come.
Dude, that's fucked.
Nothing's probably.
So where are we going? Pizza?
It's closed, but it's out.
It was open. The sign just said open when we passed by it.
You passed by it?
Yeah.
Pizza?
Yeah.
No. Are you serious?
The one on this. There's one on the street.
Oh, there? Fuck that place. That place is gross.
Dude, where are we going then?
Metro.
Fuck Metro, isn't
Yeah,
it?
oh, Metro. I'm gonna get one of those fucking pasta things. Yeah.
No, wait. Okay, let's go to McDonald's then.
Fuck McDonald's. We're going to Metro
No,
now.
fuck Metro. I don't want to go to a freaking supermarket where I have to cook the food. I could have done it at home.
Well, no, you're gonna get to do it at home. You're just gonna go get it first. What?
Oh yeah.
Oh, dirty fucking turn. But look at the fucking road. It's just big.
Yeah. Look at these guys going slow because of the freaking winter.
No tires, bud. Let's go on the highway. Let's go to Guelph.
Okay.
Get more.
No, we should have gone. Fucking gay yellow lights.
Now.
There's a Burger King down that road.
I know, but it's all the way fucking streets though, pretty much.
There's a pizza on this road.
I don't even know where the fuck lane I'm in.
I know.
I hope I'm in a lane.
You can't see the lines. Oh wait, there's a no, it's not a line.
We're okay, bud.
My arm's hurting from this.
Either way, bud. How much we do?
Like half an hour.
Really?
Do you have a memory card in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Get in the left lane because it's on this side.
We're not going there.
Dude, I don't want Metro. That is fucked.
Oregon?
No, not. Dude, that's like. There's no food there.
We're not fucking going to this pizza.
Okay, then which pizza are we going to?
Dusty pizza.
Dude, it's not dusty. That's food.
Oh yeah, bud? Oh yeah? You want to fucking race?
I wouldn't race up to a yellow. This is fucked. Yeah.
There's this big boy, Juice 11. First fucking video after we created it 6 months ago.
Yeah.
This fucking production here.
Well, I think I had videos on. Just.
This guy's fucking ripping.
Yeah,
Look at this guy.
Yo, let's go there. Come on, right there.
Oh,
Right there. Look, open. It's open right there.
I see no fucking open sign. You see an open sign? No, it's fucking dark in there, bud.
No, look. It's on the other side. Right
oh,
there.
It is fucking open.
Fuck you. It's open.
You just missed the street. Oh, well.
Dude, you're a fucker. You know that?
Fuck.
Fuck Metro.
But they got that good pasta there.
Dude, fuck
the pasta.
I can make that at my house.
They got pasta. No, you can't.
Yes, I can. I did it.
You can't.
Dude, fuck you.
Fucking shit. Just had track there.
I know. Dude, I'm starving.
Snowplows I
know. You don't pay for taxes.
Okay, enough that. But okay, we're gonna go into this lane, even though I don't know where the fucking lane is, because I know this one ends.
Okay, now go into the left lane. Keep going.
Where, we're going to McDonald's?
Yes, go to McDonald's. Fuck.
I'm not getting one.
Fuck you. Let's
Get,
just go.
Get strips from the fucking drive-thru. Want it?
What strips?
Chicken strips.
They don't have chicken
Chicken
strips. Okay, fuck.
You want it?
Yes.
Okay, fuck. Dirty fucking maneuver here. Holy shit.
What the hell was that?
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, buds.
Fuck, we should have had it open when fucking we were next to Bloody
I know.
Money.
That would have been a fucking dude. Fuck.
Like, you come out in a snowstorm, 11:30, and you see your fucking friends. This is fucked.
Okay, now hold on. We don't know where this guy's going.
Well, I'm fucking going. I don't give a fuck.
Oh. No, yeah, I can hear a signal out when you're like fucking
yeah,
there.
Signal isn't even on. Fuck.
Fuck. You know, fuck you. I'm going to the Pizza there, so fuck you.
Fucking road. Good thing I brought this man. Dude, fucking.
I know, bud. Yeah, bud.
The force multiplier right back.
Look at my arm there, bud. Okay. When should I stop? Now?
Sure. Go back on when we're at McDick.
Okay.